Hello, Mr. Beeland here. Grade 9s, I'm just talking about our week, April 6th, and what we're looking at here. So, first of all, we did have an embryonic development quiz before spring break. It was on the Thursday, Friday, just before. However, with everything that's been going on, we had a very low turnout for students. So, some students got to write a quiz, lots didn't. So what we are doing with this is getting rid of it, okay? So if you wrote it on the Thursday before, thanks for writing it, but I am just gonna cancel it out just because not enough people were there to write it, and I don't think it's gonna be happening anytime soon. That being said, I am going to be posting up these slides from our embryonic development lessons from just before. So things like the cleavage of the zygote and dividing into the gastrula, the layers, all that. I'm going to put those slides back up for you to be able to look at, just in case you have your binder stuck at school and you can't look at it right now. The reason why I'm doing this is because next week I will be putting a small fill in some questions assignment, which you can use your notes for, so I want to make sure that you have access to them, okay? But for this week, in particular, I want you to be looking at your genetic disorder projects, okay? So because we're not in class together, we're not going to be able to do the presentations. Instead, it is just going to be submitting your poster or your PowerPoint, whichever you chose to do. Now, if you did your PowerPoint, you can just submit the assignment right into the assignment task on that page for genetic disorders. If you did a poster, I'm going to ask for you to take one big picture of your whole poster, plus zoom in and take smaller pictures of all the information, okay? Again, this isn't going to have a presentation with it. It will just be the projects. Make sure both people's names are on it. You only need to submit it once per group, but make sure both people's names are on it. I've set a due date for this to be Sunday. Okay, so it needs to be submitted Sunday, 11:59 p.m. I was going to make it Friday, but I figured I probably wasn't going to be looking at them until after Sunday anyways, so might as well give you those last 2 days. But try to get it done sooner. If you've already got it done, hand it in. Other than that, that is everything for science this week, okay? We're still in the process of getting everybody onto Teams, so we're just going to start easy.